Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the Bosch GCM Mitre Saw. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The high performance machine features their new bit-turbo brushless motor that puts out the same power as corded 1600 watt saw when you use it with a Bosch Procore battery. The saw also features an LED light to illuminate the workpiece, allowing you to easier see pencil marks, and a laser to help you line the blade up with those marks. While the saw is compact and lightweight, and even has a carry handle to easily allow you to carry it around one-handed, it still allows an impressive cutting capacity of 70 by 270mm. The specifications include the following. The type of the product is a radial saw, the blade diameter is 216mm, the depth of the cut is 216mm, the power is 1600 watts, it has a blade tilt of 45 degrees, the product weighs 15 kg, it has a voltage of 18 volts, and finally the diameter is 21.6 centimeters. Founded in 1898, Bosch opened its first international office in central London. Every one of Bosch's group's business sectors has a presence in the UK. Mobility solutions, consumer goods, energy, building technology, and industrial technology. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.